Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Roy Martina. I'm a holistic medical doctor for 45 years. I'm an expert in living on light. I call it quantum energy. And what's interesting right now, we're shifting into frequencies. We all know that Einstein and Nikola Tesla said that the new medicine is going to be based on frequencies, but also living on light is nothing else than frequencies. And what's important is not the choice that if you live on light or not. The choice is, are you upgrading your frequencies? Are you taking your frequencies to the next level and to the next level? The more you learn how to absorb these frequencies, I call it the golden frequency, the more your life will change. We also are creating all kinds of music with frequencies of gemstones. You can find this also on Spotify if you want to know more about the frequencies. So go there and then you find different things under Roy Martina Artist. So frequencies is the future. Now prana, or what I want to call it, or chi, is energy, but energy with a certain frequency. So it's not, you're not just living on prana, you're living on specific part of the quantum energy, the energy that comes directly from the source. And I've developed something called quantum hypnosis, and there we can go back to the very first beginning when we just split off from the source. And then we can explore our whole soul evolution. So I would like to talk a little bit more about quantum and explain to you how quantum has always been there. It's just another name for the source of all energy. And all that energy is connected in a kind of an ocean. Now the question is, are you taking advantage of that? One of the most important things in life is to understand that being in a human body comes with a price. The price is the human body is very sensitive. It always chooses for pain or pleasure. So what you can learn is by using these frequencies is to go more towards pleasure and to become a container for high frequencies. So the question is, do you want to be a container for the high frequencies or not? And I can teach you that, but also using the music, you can upgrade yourself over and over and over. And you want to open your heart, because our heart is the connection to the fourth dimension. And our heart is very sensitive because our energy, our purpose, our soul, where we come from, is very, very sensitive. It cannot tolerate cruelty and the pain and suffering that we cause upon each other because of our egos. So we're here to find that balance. So my goal for you is to become the best version of yourself. And if you're ready for that, I will have a little talk in this upcoming retreat. And I hope that you will enjoy also listening to what I want to share with you on quantum energy, increasing your frequencies and living on light. Thank you.